So Streamlabs just released a new product. In fact, they actually released a brand new service that allows you to create your own personal website, which will help with your personal branding or channel branding and will give you the ability to be more attractive to sponsorships and affiliates. And I'm going to show you everything you need to know about their new service. Let's go. Hey, it's Wild coming at you for my stream support playlist where I bring you the best tips and tricks. And if this is your first time here and you want to learn how to grow and improve your stream, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and tick that bell so you know when my videos go live for you. And hey, at any point in this video, if you like the products or the services that I'm talking about, did you all a favor? I put links in the show notes below, so make sure you check them out. If you're a Twitch affiliate or partner or a YouTube partner and you're not really sure what's the next step to expand your brand or personal growth or how to reach out to sponsorships or even start looking for affiliations out there, you need some type of avenue to extend out so that way people can start finding you in your content and see what services you can provide them. And this is what Streamlabs Web Creator aims to do. By having your own website through Streamlabs service, not are you only giving a more professional look, you're giving a personal touch to you and your content. You can in fact even go a little more in depth with your channel. Think of the website as an expanded version of your content and channel. You can have a bunch of different things from contact forms to feeds to images to leaderboards. Heck, you can even sell your own merchandise and keep people up to date with your schedules. And of course, like always, you can have your own embedded videos, whether they be YouTube or Twitch live streams. Essentially, the Streamlabs website is an in-depth look at the services and content that you can provide. One great asset that Streamlabs really nailed is the fact of how easy it is to generate content on this website. It's literally modular and everything is just drag and drop. If you're not that creative, if you're not sure how to do things in HTML or CSS, it's okay. They have themes that you can pick from and I'm sure they're gonna expand upon these. Just grab the one that you think is best suited for you and you can start going into the content there and start clicking and adding things that you want. Not sure if you like the location that it's at? That's okay. You can move anything into any position that you want till you get the kind of right feel and flow for you think is the best move for your content and your channel. If you're not happy with it, heck, you can always just remove certain elements and aspects. Now, if you're the type of content creator that likes to give a little more personal touch, that's all right, because Streamlabs gives you that ability to do just that. Go into the customized design and here you can change things from borders to colors to text and everything like that and beyond. It is really awesome how they give you the ability to change so much in an easy format. In fact, anybody can do it. How do I know that? Because I was able to make changes. And as we all know, I'm just an average scrub. If you're a rising Twitch affiliate or you're a booming Twitch partner or an influencer on YouTube, having a way to reach out to sponsorships and brands is going to be pivotal for you to take your channel and your content to the next level. Thus, you're going to need a customized email. And luckily for you, Streamlabs comes with this feature on their website creator. Along with the customized email, you also get SEO settings, search engine optimization, which allows you to make your website a little more searchable on browsers like Google, Bing, Yahoo, and everything like that. This will be a little more in depth, which I'll explain in a masterclass of this, because you're gonna need to know what you're doing here to make it fully operational, but it's nice the fact that they give you this ability. And of course, if you have a big social imprint, whether it be on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, Discord, YouTube, the whole shebang out there, you can even implement those social media icons onto your page so people can see where you're growing and they can also follow you through those avenues as well, which is what you want. And there you go. That's pretty much everything that encompasses the new website creator at this moment. Now, the really big question is it actually worth it for someone like you to invest into creating a website on Streamlabs platform? Now, if you're interested in having your own website on Streamlabs' service, it's actually really easy to do. You need to become a Prime member, and to do that, it does cost $150 for the year. Now that comes about basically around $13 a month, which is way under the average compared to other website builders out there. So it's technically a steal. And if you are interested in getting your own website, Streamlabs gave me my own coupon code that'll help you save a little bit of extra cash. I'll put it down in the links below and show it on screen right here. So make sure you use that if you want to save a little extra scratch on the side. Now the big question is the Streamlabs website creator really worth it? Well, I guess we have to look at what your needs will be for your content creation and your live streaming needs. As the service currently sits, I see Streamlabs Website Creator not really as a website. I see it more as a portfolio / media kit, which will allow me to extend my content out to further avenues and allow me to reach out to brands and business deals in the future. And if that's something that you're interested, I would say it's wholeheartedly worth the money because it's going to give you that personal and professional touch that brands and people are going to love. But hold up, if you plan on expanding and growing your brand beyond the current platform that it's sitting on, perhaps you want to expand into a different social media platform, or you want to start producing content on YouTube or other websites and blogs, then I would say Streamlabs probably isn't the best fit for you. And I would recommend an actual website builder like Wix that'll give you a lot more in-depth tools to personalize your content and expand it out to other platforms out there. But again, if that's too daunting for you and you don't have the skills or the time, Streamlabs Website Creator is a great stepping stone and a good introductory on how to expand your brand. So all in all, I would recommend it if you think it's the right need for you. So you're probably wondering, how do I personally feel about Streamlabs' new service that they have? Well, all in all, I think it's great, but I do think it's lacking a few things that I would like to see implemented in the near future for it. I was a little disappointed by the fact that when I become a Prime member, which does cost me 150 USD, I don't get any exclusive tools or widgets through Streamlabs. I feel like I should get a few extra bells and whistles that will help me stand out as a content creator and live streamer through their service. If you're a creative music or podcast live streamer or content creator, I was also a little disappointed by the fact that there's no download section for your podcast or your musics or way to see a gallery of all of those things. Likewise, if you're an artist out there, I was a little disappointed by the fact that there is no actual store that you can sell your works through. Regardless if you do traditional or you make emotes or digital art, it would be nice to see a store implemented like you get on pretty much every other website builder out there. And some of these features and elements may be deal breakers for you, which is why I want to bring it to your attention. So hopefully Streamlabs will introduce these particular types of elements into their website builder. Now, if you need help with building your website on Streamlabs' service, I will have you covered there. I plan on doing a full masterclass on everything Streamlabs. It'll take you through their widgets and their assets, also on how to use their Slobs OBS program, along with the website builder. If that's something that you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you know when those launch. If you'd like to see what my website is, I will put a link in the description below. That way you can use it as a template or inspiration to see if it would be the best for your needs. If you guys like this type of video and you want me to do more videos on how to be bigger and better and expand your personal and channel branding, you know what to do. Leave me a comment below and I will see what I can do to make a video on that. If you'd like to expand your education with live content and streaming, you can go over to InsideCreator.com where there's a lot of helpful guides and lessons. If you'd like to help me grow and be bigger and better, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. And if you like what you see here, you're definitely going to like what you see on over at twitch.tv/wildforgames, where you can even hit that almighty subscribe button to help support me. I will see you all in the next stream support video coming up real soon. Take care all and peace!